Today I'm playing Galaxy Key. Wow. Oh, some Lego bricks. I'm just stepping on every single one. Go be cleared. What is head one? No. Oh, it's cat one. Okay. A weird gold one. 1 in 500. 1 in 300. 1 in 500. 1 in 100. Classic 1 in 100. God. 1 in 50. 1 in 25. 1 in 15. Yeah. What is it? What's it? Okay. Well, look at it. I don't know. Let's go back. I bought everything. Yeah. Oh, I have to go. Oh, 250. Wow. Just pressing on every single kind. Is that a Lego? Let's check it out. Nope, I need more space. And I need ones that make way more money. How much do you make? 5, 3, 27. Oh, the new beat for 27. How about wood? 8. That's 12.
Does it mind if Penguin joins? Play this game now.
Hello, so I'm back with Penguin.
Yes. So if you didn't know, I got an avatar.
Like a penguin.
Like a penguin now.
Yeah, I need to equip my new avatar, don't I?
I found another burger.
Do you know where burgers is? They give you 600. That looks like my best thing.
I don't know which keycap.
But it's glowing. What do you? Oh, this one better. This one better.
I got burger.
Get in. This other guy.
Oh, it is. I got 1 in 1.5 million.
1 in 0.5 million.
Yeah.
A million? How much luck do you have?
I got 1 in 15 million.
How much luck do you have?
I don't know.
Check. Because it's all the way out the front.
I got pancake.
Pancake.
I've got 2x luck.
2x luck. Oh wow.
I got glowing burger.
Well, I got more luck than you. Got 3 times luck.
Oh.
Oh, squid.
Yeah.
Pancake.
Yeah, he gave me some stuff. He gave me another burger.
Why don't you give me anything? I can see a burger keycap. I can see a burger. That means I'm going to get a burger one.
Nice.
Where's my burger? He found me.
Burger.
Oh no. I got 7 burgers. I got 7 burgers.
Oh. I have 800k.
800k.
Owl. I think I'm a bit broken.
Also, I got a pancake.
Guys, just a disclaimer. We've changed our username from Penguin and Owl to Creeper Gamer because we're going to start doing some Minecraft stuff as well.
Yeah.
So, wait, no, it's Creeper Gamer and more. Yeah, that's what it's called, I think.
Yeah, I got 2 pancakes. Pancake. How much did that guy give you?
He didn't really give me that much stuff.
So he gave me 7 burgers and 2 pancakes. Oh, burger keycap. Did I get my burger?
Burger.
Oh, I get 3 burgers. I got 3 burgers. Oh, squid.
Why is he giving me stuff that he didn't want? He's giving me burger. I don't really need that.
You did.
Is it burger?
You did.
Yes.
I can't wait.
Oh yeah, our names are Kaden and Alfie.
Yeah.
We just sometimes slip up, so there's no point in hiding it at this point. We may as well just say it.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. But guys, at the end, I want you guys to review, rate my avatar. At the end, my new avatar.
Oh, you got a new avatar.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, this video is not recorded on mine. It's only recorded on his. So I won't have my point of view.
Yeah. But it's fine. I'm going to get some more luck.
I have these noobs.
Yeah, I got 5.5 luck.
Where's yours? Oh, there it is. Your base is kind of mid-owl.
How? I just got fairy paper. You know that
Burger!
Can join it. Don't fairy paper, give 420.
You don't need it.
Okay.
Looks cool though.
Go with fairy.
Oh yeah, Owl, I see your room has got done as well.
Yep, I got it done today.
I mean, my room is still a mess, but...
Yeah. I went through everything. I've been in stuff I don't want.
Now let me just equip my best stuff. There you go, so this is my best stuff, so I'm just going to sell everything else.
Okay. And...
There we go.
I'm going to sell. Oh, I just
Meow,
made a new
meow.
friend. Sell. I've equipped my best stuff.
Oh, my stream is ready for review. Also, if I'm able to, I'll be able to upload my stream. But I played it on my Xbox, so I don't have a mic. So I had to talk and chat.
Okay.
Oh, I can rebirth.
You can rebirth.
Rebirthed. I'm going to get my money.
I stored everything that I needed to rebirth.
You'll get it eventually, don't worry.
Oh, noob. I need cat.
Meow,
Another
meow.
cat. Burger. Do I have the stuff now? No.
I need these Legos.
Legos.
Like the Lego keys.
Oh, Legos.
Because I need them for rebirth.
That's where I have a lot. Somewhere.
Yawn.
Oh, classic. Do you need classics? I've got 4. I got 4 so I can give them you.
Why is my thing just pancakes?
Let me give you.
Sorry.
But I'll trade you.
Yeah, just trade me. I only need 6.
6. I got. So you need.
Oh, you got 3. I can.
Yeah, I gave you 1. So I had 4.
Why don't you trade me all 3? Because you can do that, you know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It won't let me. Kidding. You have to put 1 item. And it won't let me trade anymore.
Pancake. No, put in another try. Because I've got something in. Okay, never mind then. Pancake.
Then for worse, just give. Come on. Kidding. I need to give you the last
Okay, I
one.
think I got enough. I got enough now. Okay.
Oh, okay. What do I need? Oh, and clothes. I got diamonds. We back.
Ding dong.
We needed 30 of the Lego bricks. I'm fighting so much Lego bricks. I kind of forgot that it was doing a video. I was kind of forgetting that I was doing a video. But I didn't.
I like how people just give me pancakes.
I'm not getting any pancakes. Look. I might craftable keys. Let's see. How many class? I got 8.
You want a pancake? Do you want a pancake?
No, let's see what I can craft.
Okay, I give you this for a pancake. Pancake.
Oh, you can make a cake.
Cake.
You can make a cake.
Okay.
A cube as well. I'm going to buy some speed. Oh, I'm finding so many Lego bricks.
I got these squids, but they're not really that good.
Oh, 1.9. Oh, can I have that 1.9 squid?
No.
Hmm.
Ding dong.
It would be like my second best thing.
Okay, come here. I got you some more. Let me find it. Pancake.
I don't want a pancake.
They make 3.5k a second.
Oh yeah, they do.
They're your best things. And also, I will give you more. Don't worry. Well, not pancakes, but I'll give you them gold squids if you
I've got
want.
cheese.
I need cheese.
You need cheese.
Yes.
I'm having for cheese.
Not fair.
Ooh, keycap. Oh, look, I'm
I feel like I'm missing something.
What?
Because all I have is pancakes.
Pancakes.
Yeah. I feel like my life is just pancake.
Pancake, grilled pancakes.
I don't know. Well, pancakes are good, but I think there's better.
Yeah, they're always better. Like burger. I say burger.
I just realised somehow.
Yeah.
The cubes don't, like, we don't have, like, the same keys.
Yeah.
I didn't even realise that.
Because I buy more luck. Some people might have, like, really low luck.
Okay, I'm respawning.
And if somebody having, like, loads of luck, they would have not get the things that they need.
By the way, fair point, you little ding dong. Ding dong.
Yeah. Oh, Lego brick. Oh, Lego brick. Lego brick.
I'm getting so much stuff.
I need how many Lego bricks? I've got 19 out of 30.
Ding dong.
Who's there? Who's there? Hello? Hello? Hi. What do you want? You want my ding dong?
Ding dong. That sounds wrong.
What?
Do you want my ding dong?
No, I said you want my ding dong.
I thought you said
My ding dong doorbell.
I thought you said, do you want my ding dong?
Why would you say that?
I don't know.
No.
Do you want my ding dong?
No! Why would I want your ding dong?
Because then you can go ding dong.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong, eat it up, eat it well, mix it up. Ding dong, what up?
Also, guys, this is my first video of 2026. So, Happy New Year.
Yeah, this is my first appearance of, since, December. I kind of just, stopped existing.
Me too.
Not as much as me. I literally just stopped. Stopped uploads and everything.
I stopped I don't even know when I stopped at this point.
Yeah, I stopped so long ago, I can't remember now.
I got 37 rebirths.
This is very easy.
I'm so slow.
This is like a game where it's like one of these games where when you're that bored, it's just a filler in your brain. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, this game is so boring, it's fun. Very weird.
Yeah. We can collect for bigger collect radius.
Yeah, I have got it. We should get some more money.
What do you need now? I need for paper.
Oh, I've got some papers.
Get in. 1,040 and 500 keycaps.
Keycaps, I've got 3,524.
I've joined like way
Before me.
before you, and how are you still better?
I'm just him.
Shut up.
It's because I got all these pancakes.
Yeah, pancakes. I had a lot of pancakes.
I know, they're very yummy.
How much money do I need for this rebirth? Let's see. I got more. So I need paper.
You need noobs as well. I'm getting quite a few papers. Do you want the papers? Yeah, I've got enough papers. Oh yeah, I found it. I've got 20 papers.
20 papers and I need 3. So give me 3.
There you go.
Now the noobs I can get myself.
Yeah, the noobs do take a while. They're even taking me a while.
I'll go back.
I only need 4 more, man. And I'm rebuffed.
Oh, paper! Found paper.
Do I not have the squids?
Oh,
Alvin?
yeah.
Uh,
Do you need squid? Squid?
yeah. I kind of accidentally gave all mine away.
Keycap. I'm placing keycaps instead of the squids. Just keycap.
That's a very fair point. Just keep that.
Oh, pancake. Pancake.
I'll give you all my pancakes.
Pancake.
I'll tell you what,
Pancake. Pancake.
I give you, right? Do you know
Pancake.
what I'll give you?
Pancake?
Can I have the squids? Can I have the squids? Because you're not using the squids anymore. Or can I have 3 squids?
3.
Yeah.
I've got 6.
Can
Come
I have
on.
them?
But I'm at my base.
Hold on. Okay.
I give you all my squid.
I just need 17 million.
Oh, 17 million. 17 million.
Yeah. Quite a lot.
Pancake. 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 I feel like they have
You're joking. I just sold everything.
I gave you all my squid.
And I sold the squids.
My squids!
I've just got a squid. Don't tell you what, I'll give you this squid in return. There you go.
Oh, cheese. Do you want cheese? Cheese?
No. Well, actually, yeah. I love cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Come on, noobs.
Okay, are we okay? We're just going cheese. 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 Cheese.
I don't think so.
Cheese. 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 Oh, holy cheese.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. How many? I got 24.
I know I should be saving up, but I kind of need
Oh, paper.
to do this.
Oh, paper.
Bow, bow,
Meow.
bow, meow, meow.
Meow.
Avi, you know how you have all these papers? Can I have paper?
Why?
Because we need paper.
We need paper.
How much paper do you have?
8.
Can I have as much as you can give?
Come here then.
No! Ding dong!
Who's there?
So how's your day been then, Owl?
The best that it can be.
Yeah, I've had a good day. I did all that Minecraft stuff, and yeah. I just don't know if I can upload it to this channel, but if not, check out the Lord Caden So check out the Lord Caden on Twitch, and you should be able to see.
Why do you say Switch?
I don't know, because I see a Switch right in front of me. It's a Switch Lite, but
yeah, I want the Nintendo Switch too for my birthday.
oh, you're not gonna get that, Alfie.
Yeah, I know. I know.
I'm getting my I might be getting some good.
I might be getting Soundwave.
What is that? You might be getting Soundwave. Soundwave! Bah!
Soundwave's from Transformer.
Oh, yeah.
Transform. Kaden,
Yeah.
I dare you to transform.
What am I going to do? Turn into an actual penguin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, he transformed!
Let's end the video. Right. Gotta end the video now. Okay?
Why?
Because our father has told us it's time to sleep.
Nuh-uh.
Well, we got to sleep.
Nuh-uh.
Alfie, we need to sleep.
Nuh-uh.
Alfie?
Nuh-uh.
Okay, do you want, I know this is still recording, but do you want to now do the outro?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Ding dong.
Paper.
Ding dong. Ding dong. You did well and mix it up.
Alex, let me read it. I need papers. Kaden, I've been needing papers. Big back. Why are you eating all the papers? Big back.
Nothing. Abby, this is my answer.
Ding dong.
This is my answer, look. Ding dong.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong.
It's not funny because you're not a penguin.
But as I said at near the start, you guys go to read my avatar. So I'm going to get it on. Guys, so read my avatar.
I think it's
in the
very,
comments.
I think it's ding dong out of 10.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong, eat it up. Oh, you got a skateboard.
Skateboard and the ground.
Okay, right. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.